Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can create a new partition in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. So without further ado, let's go ahead and do that. And please do make sure that you finish watching this video till the very end. So first, let us go to our File Explorer and check how many drive that we have. So I have here this PC option, so you will see this also in your device in the left pane. So I have here local disk C. I have 341 gigabytes free of 475 gigabyte space. So I have 341 gigabytes free space here. So we will make another partition in our drive, and we can do that by simply going to the disk management. So we can do that by opening the run window, simply pressing Windows R key all together, or you can also go make a right click here in the Windows icon and then go click on the disk management options. So when you're in the run window, all you need to do is to type disk mgmt.msc. It's disk-mgmt.msc, and then click on OK or enter, and then you will see here the disk management window coming up on your screen. So let me just maximize this one. So I have here the local disk C with 475.82 gigabytes NTFS. So we will make a new 10 gigabytes partition from here. So all we need to do is just make a right click on your C drive and then click on shrink volume, and then it will now start querying the shrink space. Let's just wait for this to finish. Now we have another window coming up. So in here, if you want to make a 10 gigabytes or almost 10 gigabytes drive, all you need to do is just enter a volume 10 times of 1024, because 1 gigabyte is equal to 1024. So here I will type 10,000 so that I have almost 10 gigabytes of space, and then click on shrink. And let's just wait for this to finish until we see unallocated disk or space. So I have here the unallocated drive. All we need to do is just make a right click on it again, and then click on new simple volume, and then click here next, and then next again. So in here, all we need to do is to assign the following drive a letter. So for example, you wanted to assign with letter D or letter B. It's up to you. So I will be choosing letter D. And then once you have now assigned the letter, then you can now click on next. And in here in the file system, all we need to do is just to choose NTFS instead of FAT32. So by default, if you have chosen FAT32, then just click this drop down button to choose the NTFS option, and then you can now proceed with clicking next and then click on finish, and it will now start formatting, and the moment it's done, you will now see the new volume or new drive D. So I have here 9.77 gigabytes of NTFS drive. So we can also look for this in the File Explorer. So let me just minimize this one, and then let's go to our File Explorer, and then go again to this PC. And as you can see here, I have the new volume D that we have just created, the new partition that we have just created. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.